Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add greetings based on time in Hostinger website builder. This is a demonstration of the greeting that you will learn how to add in your website. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites and select Websites list. This is the list of the websites I have on this account, and now click on this edit website button next to your website. If you're like me, you have multiple different websites and you're looking for an easy way to easily distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Website Builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon, and this is the icon of websites built using Hostinger Builder. Now click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger Builder, and first thing, I will add a new section. I will go with add blank section, make it a little bit shorter like that. Then add this element called embed code. I will drag and drop it like that, hit enter code, delete this existing code, and copy this HTML code that I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to attach this piece of code, just let me know in the comments below. Paste your code here and hit embed code. This is the greeting. If the preview of this greeting is not looking good, just don't worry, just update your website. And let's view this website live. It's almost 6 p.m. in my local time. This is why I see good evening. This greeting will be dynamically changed or automatically changed based on each one of your website visitors. Now let's edit the sides of this orange background to stick to each side of the screen. To do that, simply place the starting here and make it wider, just like that. I think I need to make this section a little bit shorter and hit update website. I forgot to stick it to the top. I think that's good. Now let's view my website live. As you can see, good evening. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. That's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.